not IKEA.
Bro, I wasn't paying attention.
Yeah, we're here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a IKEA vlog. I love watching moving vlogs and like, you know, those type of videos. So I thought I would vlog my day at IKEA today. I'm not exactly moving, but I am completely redoing my upstairs loft area as well as a room next to mine. We're gonna make it into my closet. Also, we may be doing the balcony. So this is what I'm wearing today. I have like this Urban Outfitters bralette, and then I have this. Hey guys, I'm back and I'm in a different outfit. Today has not been my morning. A series of traumatic events have been occurring. I literally was eating mac and cheese, gourmet breakfast from Wawa. If you didn't know what Wawa is, a gas station. I am a bougie girl, as I said. So I'm eating my gourmet mac and cheese, and of course, I spill it onto my white shirt. So I had to go and change into a whole new outfit. But I am in spirit. We're headed to IKEA and I'm in the colors. So IKEA sponsor me. I can get you so much business. Thank you, thank you. Now let's go to IKEA, motherfuckers. So the top I got from LF. The bottoms I got from LF. And then wearing my Nike Hershey's. Did you guys like that karate kick? Because I loved it. I loved every second of it. Where the fuck is this bitch? Oh, she came with gifts. Here we are. People are gonna be like, why the fuck is this bitch recording? Yeah, guys, IKEA. Not quite Disney World, but. My drink. Not today. Okay, yeah, that's like ugly. We need more modern type of stuff. We're going in. This is perfect. No. You see? Yeah, I work here. Hi, I'm here to take your shift. Okay. Yeah. She was so confused. This is exactly what I pictured in my like closet. I want to make everything in there like white. We need a fluffy carpet.
Yes, yeah.
Like how cute.
You need a chair.
All right, we need one that's like glamorous. Like it needs to be perfect. Oh, perfect. This is the one. Let's go. Follow me, guys. Now we're at like the little details. So we want a fluffy carpet. That's one of my necessities. We need lights for my mirror. Yeah, why are these like the weirdest shapes? Like it literally looks like dead animals. Exposing IKEA. Conspiracy theory. IKEA has dead animals. This is my dream closet. Perfect. Yay! I might like need this. It's so like futuristic. Right, so we got a lot in our car. It's pretty much lights. All lights actually. Let's see what we can end up fitting in the car. Here we are. Hey guys, I'm back and we're going to IKEA again today.
We have a new gang, as you can see, out to IKEA.
We got the Brazilian and the Spanish.
Oi, Fabilados.
We said IKEA, not IKEA. Damn, Kevin.
Bro, I wasn't paying attention. We don't gotta go home. They got beers and Xbox.
Cheers, buddy.
Look at this. Go.
Hey.
I actually fuck with this couch though.
Clickbait,
Nah, I like
blackout
this
drunk
couch.
at IKEA. So Sarah, we have some things to discuss. You're a raging alcoholic.
We're talking business. Tell them I want 50 shipments within the next 72 hours. 50. You're used to getting 2. PS4, he's fucking a girl, he just drops out of when did you get a brand deal with IKEA?
Hey! Hey! You do a corner, a double, and a layup.
Yeah. Couch expert.
Be peach. Fuzzy. Fuzzy peach. Fuzzy.
Go team!
So, verdict is,
What's the verdict?
the lady was a little bit, you know, not there.
Pero no. We're going to rooms to go. Fuck IKEA.
Turns out Kevin doesn't have the straps for his truck to hold this up. So, thank God, they give us free wine. I'm so grateful. Thank God for this. What would we do without it?
Get in!
What?
Get in. How much for some head? Get in, girl. Get in, I got a 20. I'll roll up no more drama. She give me what I wanna. Boss on her.
Yeah.
De-virginize this couch.
Great, final reveal.
Wow.
Ooh.
That shit just collapses.
They what I want, they what I want, they what I want, and this they.
3, 6.